So the other day, me and my friend was talking, and she was like, I just can't imagine talking to my kids as freely as you do about sexual topics and their bodies and all of that stuff. It's like you have no shame. And I can't even imagine being that comfortable talking to my mother about those topics. And I said to her, can you imagine being a child and going to the doctor for your annual visit and having to plan in advance for how you'll keep a poker face on and give away nothing when your doctor asks you whether you're being abused at home, if somebody's ever touched you in the places where they shouldn't against your will? Can you imagine having to keep a straight face and be convincing when you tell the doctor no, that things that should never happen to any child have and are happening to you? Can you imagine that? And when she said no, I said, good. Unfortunately, I don't have to imagine because I know exactly how that feels. And I don't ever want my child or any child in my village to know how that feels too. So, no, it's not weird for me to talk to my children about any aspect of their life or anything going on with them or anything that could go on with them. Anything pertaining to their body, their mind, their soul, or their spirit. All of it is my business. And it's my responsibility to make sure that they have all the information that they need to stay safe. And it's my responsibility to make sure that they know that come hell or high water, if nobody else in this world has a listening ear, I do.